In front of me is POCO M7, and today I would like to show you how you can change display refresh rate. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Display and Brightness available here. Now scroll again, this time to click on Refresh Rate, and tap on one of those options to apply the best one for you, Default or Custom. If you decided to select Custom, click on Refresh Rate below it and pick one of those options from the pop-up. If you decided to pick one of the highest refresh rates, you will see this option appear, Apps using high refresh rate. Click on it and click on this switcher next to any app to deny or allow high refresh rate usage. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!